There was a boy named Tanu who lived in a small village near the hills. He had big dreams, bigger than anyone else in the village. His dream? To become the best long-distance runner in the world. People laughed when he said it. You? A champion runner. You don't even have proper shoes. You should be helping your family, not chasing silly dreams. But Tanu didn't stop. Every morning, while the village was still sleeping, he ran. His feet hit the rocky ground, his lungs burned, but he whispered to himself, one more lap, just one more. His family was poor. His father worked in the fields all day, and his mother sewed clothes at home. They had just enough to eat. Still, they never stopped Tanu from dreaming. One day, something amazing happened. A coach came to the village. He was looking for young runners to join a sports school. Tanu ran in the small race they held and came second. The coach looked at him and said, "You have the heart of a lion. Come to the city, train with us." Tanu couldn't believe it. Is this real? Is this my chance? In the city, life was hard, so hard. Other students had fancy shoes, clean clothes, energy drinks, and Tanu, he had one pair of old shoes. His clothes were torn. He didn't even have money to buy good food. He worked in a shop after training just to eat a full meal. Sometimes he was so tired he couldn't feel his legs. He cried many nights. Should I go back? Am I too weak? But every time he told himself, no, just one more day, don't stop now. He kept running, even in the rain, even in pain, even when his legs hurt and no one was watching. He didn't stop. Then came the big race, the city championship. If he did well, he could get a full scholarship. No more cleaning, no more hunger, just training and running. But on race day, it rained. Hard. The track was full of mud. People were slipping, falling, scared. Tanu stood at the starting line. His heart was beating fast. What if I fall? What if I lose everything? No, he thought. I've come too far to stop now. The race started. Tanu ran fast. He was doing well. But then, slip, he fell hard into the mud. His leg hurt. People gasped. The coach ran toward him. Are you okay? Want to stop? Tanu looked up, his body shaking, and said, no, I will finish this race. He stood up, limping, breathing hard. But he ran again. Step by step, faster and faster. The pain was strong, but his will was stronger. He didn't come first. He didn't come second. But he finished the race. The whole stadium clapped. Some even had tears in their eyes. That day, the coach gave him a new title, the boy who never gave up. Later, when people asked him, how did you do it, Tanu? How did you keep going? He smiled and said, the race only ends when you stop running, so don't stop now. You don't have to be the fastest. You don't have to be the smartest, but you must be the one who doesn't give up. Life will test you. You will fall. People will doubt you. You may even doubt yourself. But remember this, every time you get back up, you grow stronger. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dream. When it gets tough, don't say I can't. Say, just one more step, I won't stop now. Because the race only ends when you stop running. So don't stop, not today, not ever. Your finish line is waiting.